What up, guys? Today I'm going to be making another video. Today I'm going to play Roblox. I'm going to be a cop. Okay. Sad. There's a car in here. Stop you! Okay. That I'm not going to use. I don't have the SWAT yet. So I'm going to get in this car. Sorry. If it's too loud, I'll just turn it down for you. Jesus! There. Is that good? Comment down below if it is good. Good. Okay. I am gonna go to get the Lamborghini. Race over there. Okay. Okay, my Lamborghini. If you want to know where the Lamborghini is, it's in here. You know? You can just ask. Okay? But I can't. I'm a cop. I can't get in. That sucks. That's criminals. Stick it. What the hell? My glade's glitching. They killed me. Don't let me get this in there. I gotta go. Okay. That was just a bit of nonsense, as you know. I know. Just calm down, people. Calm down. Alright, so I'm gonna go over there and get that flipping Lamborghini. And hopefully I don't die. Oh, Jesus. The fuck are you trying to do? Put yourself in jail? Stuff you. Hey, work. Thank you. Is that the lock? Oh, fine. Why did you have to ruin it by locking it? If you join, comment your name down below and give me money or Robux. That'll be better. Hold on. Okay, done. Okay, I'm gonna go. Now Lamborghini, if you turn around in there, that's my other car, as you know, and I blocked their way. Shh. Oh, should I take this car? Comment. This car's a little good. It's a little rusty, but no, I'll take the Lamborghini. Okay, I'm gonna zoom. Where should I go to? Okay, that just sucks. You had to do that, driving helicopter person. Okay, that just sucks. Subscribe, people, subscribe. Okay, where should I go? I'll show you another car that I have and that's pretty sick. Zoom. Fuzz. Crap. Holy crap. Okay. You go over here. Would I make it up? No, I do not make it up. Sorry. Go John Cena, do. When I open my eyes, I see John Cena, do. Crap! I suck at driving. Please give me enough money to get the Bugatti. I know. I talk crazy. Okay. No. Nonsense. Oh, stuff you. Oh, you've got to ruin it. Oh, fuss you. Oh, thank you. Ooh, look at those wheels. Oh, please give me one of these purple safes. One of these. It costs 300. Nah, just kidding. 3,000. 30,000. Okay, another cool car is this, and another cool car you would see is just just hold on. Up here, it costs 70,000. If you have enough, you should buy it. And there's even also, I have level 5 engine. Thick. God. And they may be adding the alien update. Fuzz! That flipping wrong way, I hate that. Okay. Thank you. It's this. And if you have, and send me a friend request, I will accept it. Okay, someone's robbing the flipping bank. That's awesome. 2 people actually. Get out! You must stay in the hole. There's a bank robber. That's an unnecessary time. No! That was fun. That was totally just boring. That was a waste of flipping time. Sad, bro. Sad. Hello. Okay. I have the Tesla as well. I have hold on. I have whatever flipping car this is. And there is a little hidden car in between the maps. Will I make it? It is a death jump. Screw it. Yes. Okay. Jesus, that tree I don't have. I don't know why I just came here. Wrong way. Over here. You drive down this road. There is a car here. You can get in it and drive it. It costs 20,000. And the Lamborghini costs 100,000. Will it be able to jump over that? No. Hold on, that's not the only car I have. Come on, boys. I have this car. Spawn. You useless piece of crap. Spawn. That costs 50,000. When I show you my last car, I'm going to show you what the hell it does. It is insane. You missed me. And if you keep driving over here, I have 2 more cars I need to show you. Please subscribe and leave a like. I have This one, it costs 50,000 as well. But it costs that much because I'll show you what I can do. And I also have... Hold on. This car costs only 9,000. The tree was in the way. Don't judge me, please. Okay. Okay. What is the special car? This is the car that can... I'm gonna keep it a secret. I'll do it. Okay. Come over. Flip! No! Yes, I didn't land in the water. Okay. Okay. That was a bit of a fail, guys. Yeah. That's scrappy! How to God, fuzz sucks. Okay, this time don't fail me, dingus. Yes. No. No. Okay. There. Here. You need suspension, high, engine level 5, brakes 3, whatever testing stuff you want. I don't know what I'm going to choose for you. I'm not the boss of you. Okay. Pardon. Interesting thing with this buggy is racing. Hold on, I'll go to the You've got to be kidding me, bro. Bro. I got this car, and you're not gonna follow me. Okay, you should buy this level 5 engine suspension high, and I'll show you what true present has. Okay. Zoom over. I think it is here. Go to any wall, go up diagonally, and then you can flip and drive up a wall. How insane is that? Come on, chop chop, but you do go a little slow. Okay. But then you can't drive out of the map. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for now. I might make another video, maybe. So bye guys, hope you had a good time watching.